in obedience to the Christian principles is living by faith. That's why the Bible says faith without practical experience, faith without practical living, faith without practical action, faith without living evidential life that corresponds with the teachings of the Bible is a dead faith. Christianity without character is a dead faith. Christianity without a corresponding action that is Christ-like is a dead confession of faith. Our focal scripture says that Abraham proved his faith in God when he was asked to offer Isaac as a sacrifice, and he obeyed. It was faith that led him to that act of obedience. Had he refused to obey, it would have demonstrated that he had no faith in God.